Is your iPhone 7 Plus having audio problems? No sound during calls, grayed out speaker icon, or voice memos not recording? This is a common issue caused by faulty audio IC chip on the motherboard. It usually happens after the phone is dropped or bent, which causes tiny cracks in the solder joints. The solution? We remove the logic board, carefully reflow or replace the audio IC, and in many cases, add a micro jumper to restore full functionality. After the repair, your mic, speaker, and voice memos are working perfectly again. Don't waste money replacing your phone. Get it fixed professionally and make it last longer. Like, share, and follow us for more smart mobile repair tips.